This is so heavy.
Yes. This brake disc for DAF is 24 kilograms, very heavy and strong, great for carrying 20 tons.
It's almost as heavy as two of you. Flat brake discs are not safe for heavy loads. Our own customer discs are only work for 3,000 kilometers.
They got burnt and cracked from high heat, which caused a lot of time
and was dangerous. They want good quality, on-time delivery, and no worries.
We have the answer: automatic production line, strict checks, never cut corners.
Our product is made from good cast iron. It doesn't crack or bend at high heat.
Yes, we test every disc for balance, performance, and harness, so it won't shake at high speed.
Safety and quality are our most important things. We already have orders from Chile, UK, and France.
Yes, we offer stable OE quality brake disc for every market. Just message us for a quotation. We are
waiting for you.